गाउँलेको बोलीले डाँडा काँडा छहराको गीतले ख्यालठट्टा नगर झुलेर किनार नाच्न गाउन लाग्यो रहर नाच्न गाउन लाग्यो रहर
For trekking members, best of luck and take care on the way because now is winter day. But very beautiful place in there. Maybe I hope you could enjoy like Bilbao. So we are very testimony our respected for climber and my brother Alex is a very good climber, very strong and very strong team. We hope success for Manasulu. Even not success, we are happy because we utilize you guys this year because we have to learn many things from Simone and from Alex for our adventure and for the expedition. But everyone is good to enjoy because this is COVID-19. You come here. Thank you very much to come Nepal. This is for us is very good because we see here trees. Now the people you see in the road. Many people looking you guys because there is before a lot of trees, but now no zero trees. So that was very good. Enjoy and take care. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Other people.
Okay. Cái thứ cái tay cái có sang nhẹ nhẹ là loại. Ê đi chơi cái đó. Xí mẹ à? Chiều một điểm phát rồi.
Very hermoso. Bye, Daniel. Bye bye. Daniel. Bye bye.
पापी मन कसरी बुझौला पापी मन